We got to get this drive shaft disassembled, painted, reassembled, and installed before that car can come down. And that car's coming down now.
Let's do it.
You want this gloss or satin?
Either way, so.
Ever since we neutered Mark, he's been pretty easy to get along with.
What do you want, you freak?
Double check all my stuff, make sure it's tight. Another fine job by Royal Yoke. Oh, where, oh, where. I don't know. I can't find the shocks. Where are the shocks?
Because you never asked me where the shocks are.
Yeah, I did. I've been asking.
They're not here yet. They're on back order. We're waiting for them. Yeah.
Man, I can't roll. I can't glare from the back of your head. I can't see.
Now,
Like magnifies the light.
Sexist.
To help you.
Where's the rooster you took that hammer from?
Oh, God dang it. Can you go to work?
Well, I had to come over here.
No contest, no Roadrunner.
You were trying to take that U-joint apart without taking a clip out of it.
Because I couldn't see it.
Wow, you've got issues, buddy.
No, you do. You may want to go ahead and call Les Schwab to get you some new tires right now.
Uh-oh.
What are you talking about? Somebody's already played that game with me before.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, they did.
Well, I guess you didn't learn the first time now, did ya?
No, what are you picking at? What are you coming at me for all of a sudden? Hey, Josh, I think we need to get along a little better, bud.
Do what?
We and you need to start getting along a little better.
We need to get along a little better?
Yeah, Mark's trying to destroy our relationship.
No, he did not. Darren and my relationship is kind of weird. You know I love you.
Okay.
We don't say it enough.
I gotta do something important.
See, this is what you do. Every time I try to have a civil conversation with you and you just turn around.
I run and hide my emotions, right?
Like a little girly man. You girly man.
Go ahead.
There's a 2-foot rule.
How's that?
That was good. Toe up.
Which toe?
You're about to get punched. Did you drop it or anything ignorant like that?
Why would I drop it?
Why would you drop it? I don't know. Why would you lose the clevis pin? Why would you throw the horseshoe pin away?
You watched
Why
me
would
the
you
whole
shut the
entire
pumps
time.
off?
You need to
You watched me the whole
forgive.
entire time.
It's the same thing.
That's
Why would you do any of the things that you do?
He's going to need a therapist for that.
Forgive.
It's
Maybe we
just-
should have it professionally installed, the U-joint.
Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.